Greetings again, interwebs. Okay, good news, bad news. More cable. Just the luck of the draw, really, but do you really want more cable?
Draw it, I demand it, and right now.
Okay, fine. So here's what happened. I told you I'd run the cable to the corners for the security cameras. And that's 4, and I threw an extra for 5. Well, the cameras I wanted to get, they don't support being plugged in. They're only Wi-Fi. So I found another system, one I want to get. They're really good, 5 megapixel cameras, 2 terabyte hard drive DVR. They also do the remote on the app, the whole 9 yards. And two-way communication, two-way audio, all hardwired. And there's 8 of them. The kit comes with 8 cameras. Or I run 5, so I run 3 more. So what I'm going to do is, where am I? That corner up in there, looking back this way towards the back door. And then put another one. I already put the blue box up. Put another in that corner, looking forward towards the front door. That'll cover the whole living area. And then I'll put another one out there in the corner of the garage, looking down at the truck and the rack, in case anybody tries to break in the garage door. So 4 corners above the air conditioner. Well, let's see. 4 corners, front back door, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, because I'm going to add more. Anyway, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'll just run all the cables I need and go from there. Groovy? Groovy. Okay, I said it comes with 8 cameras. I'm just got looking at things. Rechecking my map, seeing what's been done. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've already got 7 run. So I've only got to run 1 more to make it 8. I'll put it right there, pointed back towards the front door. All be right with the world. Boom. Then I can modify my map accordingly, and all will be right with the world. So I know, Bubba, just relax. I'm just running 1 cable. That's all. You'll be fine.
Greetings, interwebs. Hey, wow, what a day we got today. The plumber's coming. He's got to run the sewer line. He's got to run out to the street. Ryan's crew is coming to hang the siding. Ryan's supposed to show up. And the guy that did the land clearing, he's coming by. I got to talk to him. I don't know if I get him on film or not, but we'll talk about getting rid of the privacy fence and all the overgrowth and crap that's running along the side of the house. He's, well, that's what he does. He's got a bobcat. And because he lives in the neighborhood and he's coming back out to do some work anyway, should give me a good price. I'll keep you apprised on that. Wow. Boy, I am driving right into the sun. That's never any fun. But yeah, it's exciting. Things are happening now. Apparently the windows came in, so they're going to get put up either tomorrow or Monday. Waiting to hear back from the window guy. Framing's all done. The inspections are done. Things are going to start moving very quickly now. As you heard Ryan say in the interview, that once we get past this point, it's go, go, go. That press the wave thing he was talking about. So yeah, I was kind of late getting this video up, but basically nothing's happened. And then all of a sudden today, all this stuff happens. So yeah, we're back in it. Exciting times. Let's go. Well, there you have it. We have siding. You notice the black and white thing? The white siding is the regular siding, or I mean, the wrap. It's the regular normal wrap they use. But they ran out. It wasn't quite enough to finish. The black wrap, that's the one they use on the roofing. It's actually thicker than the one they use on the side. So the garage in front, the area with the black on it will be better protected than the area with white. Not to say that white's not good. It's just the black is, well, gooder. So yeah, I'm stoked. And yeah, Ryan said that, yeah, the window guy, he's waiting for the window guy to call back. He'll either be here tomorrow or Monday. I haven't heard. It'll probably be Monday. And I'll be fine because it's just tomorrow. I'll be in Daytona with my daughter and the weightlifting team for the regional championships. As I don't know if you saw the other video, or if I posted it at the time of posting this one. My daughter Alicia won the district weightlifting championships, and now she's moving on to regionals, which she's expected to win that as well because she's a beast, much stronger than the other girls in the region. And from there to states. So as long as she performs like she usually does and doesn't get injured, yeah. So on that happy note, just seeing you.